If your bonsai isn't thriving, you're not alone. 8 in 10 new bonsai owners face major issues in the first year. Repotting a bonsai at the wrong time of year can severely shock the plant. The optimal repotting window is only 4 to 6 weeks in early spring. Bonsai are very sensitive to overwatering. Just 2 to 3 days of wet soil can cause root rot and terminal decline in many species. Improper pruning is a common mistake that ruins a bonsai's natural shape. New growers often cut the wrong branches at the wrong time. Bonsai are extremely vulnerable to pests like aphids, scale insects, and spider mites. Infestations can explode in a matter of weeks. Using the wrong soil mix is a leading cause of bonsai decline. A poorly draining substrate can quickly lead to root rot and death. Bonsai require a minimum of 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Insufficient light leads to stunted growth, discoloration, and death. The single most important factor for thriving bonsai is understanding their unique root needs. Get this right, and your bonsai will flourish. If you're struggling with your bonsai, don't give up. Grab our free guide with 10 expert tips to revive and maintain a healthy bonsai tree.